continue following the road ahead. Your examiner will say to you, follow the road ahead. As you're following the road ahead, you'll see the new speed limit. But you won't go over 30 till you go through the 40. Very important that you realise that. As you follow the road ahead, as you go down this road, as you follow the road ahead, as you go down the road, around here, he'll say to you, at the end of the road, turn right, it's a dual carriageway. And that's when what I discussed with you, you'd need to do. Then the second instruction for you is at the roundabout, take the first exit left.
Why is it sounding?
So you need to signal right, look at the floor markings. Don't get worried, nice and easy, stay in your lane. Get to your giveaway, take a deep breath, Latifa. You're just overthinking, okay?
Yeah.
Gently get to the line and watch out for cyclists first. If it's safe, and that side there's a car coming, but on the right it's safe. Go into the middle, let's wait in the far corner, but we're not going to go past the grass verge. Nice and slow, get to the end, a little bit to the right, and stop. Now look to your left, and if there's any car in either lane, don't come out. But we're going to go into the lane on the left, first lane. So when you're ready, go. Quick look again, go into lane 1. That's fine. And now we can see the roundabout sign, and we're now following the signs for Harrogate and York. So let's start our routine now. Mirrors and signal. We're going to maintain our lane, so look at the floor markings and make sure you're always positioned correctly. Now we're going to slow down a little bit so we can understand where we need to position. Because this lane only shows ahead. That means your left lane will come off this lane like it has now. Now straighten the car and don't go onto the white part. Now remember, we want a second look as you come onto the roundabout, which is what you agreed. But make sure your exit's clear. Look to your left, Latifa. Because look, they can walk across here again. So you need to quickly glance again just before you go. So just before you think it's safe, quickly look again. And when you think it's safe, that's at that point you'll be going. Yeah? Okay, as you follow the road ahead, you'll be driving along this road for a fair bit of time. Now you need to look at the traffic lights. Now if you can't see the lights, look at the white car braking, telling you the lights are red. And you'll see everybody braking. So that's a clue as to the colour, the sequence of the traffic lights. Hopefully I've got it right. No, I haven't. They're green. If they're green, it means be careful, they might go red. I got it wrong this time. You see, we're not infallible. Now look in your rear view mirror and carry on if it's safe to do so. Now we need to try and stay a bit more to the left of the road. So we are veering to the right there a little, okay? Now let's keep our speed healthy. Healthy would be a speed that you're always in control of to start off with, and we slowly increase our speed with confidence, okay? Just so we're in agreement, what's the speed limit here?
70.
Okay. And is it a single carriageway or a dual carriageway?
Dual.
What's the difference between a single and a dual? And don't say 2 lanes.
Yeah, something separates the middle.
What was your theory score?
Huh?
What was your theory score?
43.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Shall we go above 45? Let's go a little faster. Let's see if we can squeeze 50. A little bit more. And we can see the warning sign on the left telling you or informing you of traffic lights. So if any of them cars brake, you know the lights have gone red, or they're going red, or there's traffic that's accumulated. And that's the forward planning that you're telling me that you need to improve on.
Okay.
There we are. And they've just gone red, I believe. And you see that silver car, he's doing a different test route. You'll be doing that with me in the next lesson. But I just need to explain how you turn right on a dual carriageway with a slip road on the right. So I'll explain that to you in your next lesson as well. Do you know, sometimes if you do something and you're not sure if you've done it right, you can ask for feedback while you're doing it. So look, Is this positioning okay? Is that mirror check okay? So it reassures you that you are doing it correct. So your driving standard improves positively. So like sometimes you might think, oh well, you might think I'm silly. No, there's nothing that's silly. There's no question about driving that is silly. Sometimes we learn, and we've been driving literally before you were born. When we learn, we think, oh okay, and we learn. As we're going ahead, we're then going to approach a roundabout. At the roundabout, we're taking the first exit left. Now this roundabout is very narrow. That means when you're very close to the roundabout, you need to be very careful about your lane positioning. So we can see the sign on the left. The sign's telling us the layout of the roundabout. Now when we position to the left, we need to be very careful that we don't bump into to follow the road round, okay? Nice and gentle as you turn into left. Lovely. So we're now approaching that potato roundabout from a different, but if I call it a kidney shaped roundabout, you won't understand. Not everyone understands the shape of a kidney. Well, yeah, but if we make it easier, everyone understands potatoes. So if we call it potato, now at the potato roundabout, we're taking the second exit, so we're going ahead from here. So we'll stay in the left lane and go past the school. So we'll keep left and keep going ahead. Any reason why we're stopping?
Okay.
Look again.
Oops.
Now go. You need to be careful with the decision you make, okay? You're looking.
There were 2 lanes there.
Yeah, but you need to look. You need to see where they're going. Now they were positioned to the left,
That's the
so they were going behind you. They're going into the road you were coming from. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to approach the roundabout from this position, and this time we'll be turning right. So we'll be going towards. I think it's Kramer Road, they call it. I need you to signal right on approach like you normally would do, and treat it like a normal roundabout, okay? Now remember that the cars I want you to watch out for when they come from Kramer Road.
So we're turning right.
See, we're going to go around and go where that black car's coming out from. Where we agreed,
So
we're going
this
to.
is 1.
Yeah, that's one on the left. 2 is where them green lights are. Now slow down because you need to make a lane change.
Yeah.
Keep turning. Now signal left and go faster into lane 1. That's it. And then left mirror check, turn down this road. Remember, we watch out for anyone on the zebra crossing and any bus coming up quick. At the end of the road, turn left, and that's lovely, and that's a lot better than before. It's very positive what you did now. A bit slower, but how are you going to understand it if you don't go slower?
This is where I watch out for bus.
We're turning left here. Cranmere Gardens. That's it. That sounds right. Lovely. And we're now following the road round. And this would take you back to the test centre. But what you're going to do is follow the road down. Then at the end of the road, there's traffic lights. At the traffic lights, you turn right. That take you back down to the test centre.